All right. So now welcome. Here is a compound, which is an organic compound. So now they say we should name this compound. So now let's see how to name this compound. You see each uh, angle like this is a what? Is a carbon. So now from here, the carbon is here, another one 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 is here. So that they don't make it in a skeletal form. So now you will not, but when you know here, this place, this place that you see here is like a compound that you will see something like this. So now they did not put it, but they expect you to know that this place is supposed to be like this. So now when you look see this place, you will know that this place is like this. And you see now this is a substituent. When you check this substituent, you see that we have one carbon here, another one here, and another one here. Then we have three carbon. That's propel. So now let's see how we can name this compound. Now let's first count the longer chain, long parent chain. Let's see. We have one, two, three, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So now the parent chain has 9 carbon. So now we have, and 9 is none. 9 mean what? It mean none. So now we'll now say, okay, now since we have get to understand that what they have, the parent chain have 9 carbon. What we'll do here is I will now say um check the bond. Is it double bond or single bond? If you check it, you see that what is double is single bond, which is what? Alkane. Is from this alkane group. So now our naming will be under this one. So now we'll now check again and see what we have of the we have substituent. We have one, two, three, 4, 5. So now we have 5 substituent. So that means and we have a what an element inside. So which is this one inorganic. So now which is bromo. So now for us to name this compound, let's see how to name this compound. Here, here is what is metal. Here also is metal. Then here is propel because it has 3 carbon. Then here too is metal. And this one is bromo. So now let's see how to name this compound. We have 1, 2. So the bromo is 2. We say 2. Because we are going to start with this one first. For our naming, we need to start from this one first, which is inorganic, before going to other substituent. So now it's 2 bromo. 2 bromo. So now we now have the 3, 4, 6. So we have 3, 4, and 6. All of them they are the same metal, metal, metal. So now we will now set tri trimethyl. Then you will now check again and see. You can have this one is for fifth. You dash propelled. Then we'll now put our since it is single bond, it will end like this. No name. So 2 bromo, 3, 4, 6 trimethyl, 5 propyl nonane. This is the name of this compound. Thank you.